Hey guys, something for you today. So a lot of people still have this old Launchpad, and you might be wanting to change the Launchpad to look something really more beautiful like this. So imagine you have a Launchpad that really depicts your company the way you want it to be. Imagine like a Launchpad that has an onboarding, like the person comes, he can complete some things right here, and then when he's done with some, he like ticks it, and you can see it's progressing. You know, imagine where you can have your next meetings, like Zoom calls to the next meetings, or you can have him already know the most important parts of the application, like checking daily task or whatever comes with it. It might be taking some time to load. Sometimes GHL is slow, but yeah, daily task, or imagine, say you wanted them to do more important things, like you can go to anywhere in the application, like really anywhere. Eh, this goes to their to their knowledge base. You can really go to anywhere. You can open external pages. You can have some pages that open internally, like this one, and the person can really use it however he wants it, you know and really you can have a whole thing that is really well organized for your clients. Look at this one. You can even have some pop-ups there, so it's really like that first time experience that people come and they can really enjoy being on your page. you know they can really enjoy being on your page, and doing things, I mean, in your account, and doing things however. So let's stop talking and let's get into it. I'm going to show you how this can be done with GHL plugins. So right here I'm inside GHL plugins, and I'm going to quickly set up a launchpad that's more beautiful than this. I'm not probably going to reach this level because I just want it to be a short video, but quickly sorry, I'm just going to come here and create a new launchpad. I'm going to call it Loom. Yep, I'm just going to call it Loom, some weird reasons. And so when you create, yeah, so when you create, you've got to come to setup here. So the first thing, like I did, you needed to come to custom launchpad in the menu, and you will see the interface that I just showed you, and then you come to setup. Like, this is just like a placeholder. You can change it to however you want it. If your colors are quite different, you just, like, I don't like this black background because I want it like to represent this background here. I'm gonna try to have something different. I can't really obtain the best right now on the core right here, but I'm going to try to have something a little bit different. You can really do it to be the way you want it. Really, yeah, I'm going to go with this. Hopefully that, no, I'm not sure it matches. Pardon me, I'm not going to have the best one, but yeah, I'm just going to go with this one. Yeah, you can put, like, let me tell you something, like these buttons that are here, you have one button, you have other ones, you can tie whatever action you want. Like if I want this demo onboarding setup and I don't have that nice little tooltip that is also an onboarding plugin that we are selling at GHL plugins, if I do not have access to that, I haven't bought that, I can tie it to something else. I can call it like something like visit and really just tie it to another action. Like, say I wanted, so it could be go to an external page, go to a custom menu link. A custom menu link could be any link any custom menu link in my application. You could go to dashboard, so I'm going to just call it go to dashboard, something like that. In here too, you could tie it to whatever you want, external page, anything that you want. If it's an external page, you got to put like a link. So and you can modify this to be really what you want. In this case, the CSS, I'm clicking here, I'm just realizing I want to change the padding Y to meet the, sorry, I want to bring it low rather. Yeah, I just wanted to meet these other ones here, and I think here it's good. Same thing here, padding Y, I want to reduce it, sorry. Yeah, right, really you can change it however you want it, tie it to whatever you want. Tie it to whatever you want. Yeah, and really use the actions. When you click on one, you just go to the data and tie it to an action, write the title, and whatever you want. And another thing is, if you wanted something to be a pop-up, say here, if I wanted update demo 3.0 to be a pop-up, like I can change the text and everything here, but let's say I wanted this thing to be a pop-up like this one, and I will put like a link. Let's say I wanted this calendar to be the link that appears in the pop-up. You see, that's just it. And then you can have custom CSS. You can really put custom CSS to match with whatever design you want, that you can't do with just clicking around, because you realize that each thing has an ID here that you can use to design custom CSS to match whatever you want. So you can change this page to however you feel it, however you want it. Just go around and enjoy when you click, enjoy all the actions that we have. You have a lot of actions, and there are more and more and more and more. We have put a lot of action, meeting locations, zone, stuff like that. So that's already. So let's say that really so this action is task list, contact. So these actions are already by default there. You can change them however you feel it. I just added a pop-up here. You can have external link, internal link, and all the like. So let's say I'm done with this and I wanted to replace my custom menu link. So all I have to do first is come and copy my menu link and come to my GHL account, come to the custom menu link here like this, and come to custom menu link. I'll create this. I'm going to call this start. What about home? Here, right? Link, oh sorry, I'll call it start here, and then the link will be here. I'm going to restrict it to show only to some accounts because I don't want it to show everywhere for now. I'm just going to show in these two accounts, and I'm going to save, right? So once I go into the account here, for now you're going to see that it's still going to be showing down here. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to copy this link, and I'm going to come here inside settings, and I'm going to put it here and put that it is the default home page and set. So now I can publish, and it's now active, right? But I'm still I want to do something. I want to add a link. Say I wanted it to come to submit a request. So if I wanted one link to come to this submit a request, for example, I'm going to copy the custom menu link, and this one I want it to be submit a request. Submit a request. Yeah, and the action is going to be to go to custom menu link, and then the page URL will be this. I could change the icon, right? So when I come here, I'm going to now refresh, and so when you refresh, you realize that the first thing is that I have already added. If it's the first time to use our platform, you have to put this script inside your agency script. Once you've put that, you realize that now it's going to be the first thing. So when I click on start here, it's not going to show like you can deactivate the Launchpad. It's going to be like this is now the default thing. That's going to be the first thing that says start here. And if I click like on the submit a request, sure enough, it comes to the custom menu link as if it was part of the application straight. And the same thing goes for daily task. You should be able to see daily task straight away. It routes you there without refreshing and stuff like that. And if you come to this one, I think it was this one, you should be able to see the calendar that we put. Yep. And it's looking for available positions. Well, that's looking well. Yeah, you should be able to see the calendar that we set up, exactly how we set it up. And the sky is really your limit. The sky is really your limit to what you can do with this Launchpad. And do not mind the fat things. You can actually change it to be however you want it. Thank you so much. You can do a lot more with this and really change it to be how you want it. Just so you know, and the things that I didn't touch, when you get it, you can play around with it and you know, make it feel and the way you want it, basically. Thank you so much for listening, and show us what you can do with your custom custom Launchpad. So yeah, you can duplicate these things, you can cancel, you can delete all of these things, and bye.